All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor fixture. Now this one is all glass on every side. All right, now this one's very simple to install. You just got to make sure you put a nice strong backing before you set this up. Now because this one's large, it's a little heavier than normal because it's the size, but this is gonna light up your entrance, your garage, your house outside, anywhere you want to set it up. This is outdoor graded, and it has to be outdoor graded because it also has dust to down sensor here. That's very simple to set up. All you got to do is make sure you have power on, leave it on throughout the day. It doesn't turn on, and at night it's going to turn on automatically. Now they also included the 2 light bulbs that are included with the actual attachment. All you got to do is put this in there. Make sure you set up the light bulbs prior to setting this up and twist it. All right, so we're gonna set this up right now and see how it looks. So let's plug this in and twist them. It's probably the most difficult part of setting these up. All right, making sure the plastics are in there, twist it. Once it's secure, I'm gonna cap it up here in the bottom too, because I opened it up to give some extra slack in case I need it. Line them how you want. It could be parallel or vertical, either way. Now back to the easiest part, which is going to be the mount. Now on the mount itself, you guys can see it has the screws in the front, and you're gonna have to release them here. Now we're going to mount this first. Make sure it's flat when you're setting it up. On the back of it, you got your neutral, which is the white, your hot, and your ground, which is the copper. All right, ready? We're going to test out the sensor too, make sure it turns on at night. All right, and I mean through the day and night. All right, let's take a look at the light itself. All right, now it took me about 20 minutes to put together. All right, because the hardest part was putting the actual bottom base to it, and then the light bulbs you got to do before you actually set up the base. All right, so that's something you got to know. Make sure you put both light bulbs before you set up that. All right, so once you set that up, all you got to do is make sure the plastic that hangs on goes internally, and you go up in the bottom so you could adjust it if you want. But once you set it up, look how beautiful it looks. Glass, outstanding, outdoor graded, and day to night mode. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn on the flashlight to see if that works. I'm going to simulate morning. I do have a light that I'm going to turn on, and I'm going to simulate morning light, and we're going to see if it works. All right, so I'm going to put the light in the front of it, and if you guys can see, it just turned off, so because of the sensor. Right, once you remove it, on, off, day and day, night. All right, I'm blocking the actual sensor right now, so it won't turn off right now, but it looks outstanding for any entrances, any garages, anything that you want to set up indoors or outdoors, but mostly it's made for outdoors. All right, because of the sensor. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.